In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and optimize H1 tags on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a proper H1 headline to your page, adjust heading levels for structure, and save your changes confidently. Start by opening your Squarespace website and navigating to the page you want to edit. Click Edit to enter editing mode. This puts the page into a state where you can add and format content. Next, add a text block. Hover where you want the headline to appear, click Add Block, and choose Text. A blank text field will appear. Type the headline you want to use. This will become your H1. Now format it as a true H1. Drag to highlight the text you just typed. A formatting toolbar appears above or near the text. Open the Style dropdown and choose Heading 1. Squarespace's Heading 1 style corresponds to the H1 tag in your page's HTML, which signals to search engines and screen readers that this is the main headline. If you don't see the heading choices right away, click the Text or Style menu in the toolbar to reveal options, then select Heading 1. If you're working with multiple headings on the same page, repeat that highlight and select process for each piece of text you want to format. Use Heading 2, Heading 3, and Heading 4 for subheadings to create a clear, logical hierarchy. For example, your main page title stays Heading 1, section titles use Heading 2, and supporting subsections can use Heading 3 or Heading 4. To switch levels at any time, highlight the text and pick the appropriate heading from the same dropdown. If you need to revert something back to body copy, highlight it and choose Text from the Style menu. A few optimization pointers as you format. Aim for one H1 per page. It should clearly describe the page's primary topic. Keep your H1 concise and front-load important keywords in natural language. Avoid keyword stuffing. Clarity and relevance help both readers and search engines. Make sure your H2, H4 subheadings follow the content's structure so visitors can scan the page quickly and find what they need. When you're satisfied with your headings and formatting, click Save at the top to commit your changes. Squarespace will update your page, preserving your chosen heading levels and styles. That's it. Open your page, add a text block, type your headline, highlight it to set Heading 1, format your subheadings with Heading 2 through 4 as needed, and save. With these steps, your H1 is properly in place and